How to make video on YouTube and earn money. Making a video on YouTube and earning money is a multi-step process. Here are some steps to help you get started. Choose a topic. Decide on a topic that you are passionate about and that you think will interest others. It could be anything from cooking to gaming to fashion. Create your video. Once you have your topic, plan out what you want to say or do in your video. Make sure your video is engaging and visually appealing. You can use your smartphone or a camera to record your video. Edit your video. Use video editing software to edit your video and make it look more professional. You can add music, text, and special effects to make your video more interesting. Upload your video to YouTube. Create a YouTube channel, upload your video, and make it public. Make sure to include relevant keywords and tags so that people can find your video when they search for similar topics. Build your audience. Promote your video on social media platforms, forums, and other websites to attract viewers. Encourage people to subscribe to your channel and leave comments. Monetize your channel. Once you have built up a following, you can start monetizing your channel. Join the YouTube Partner Program to enable ads on your videos and earn money from the revenue generated by those ads. Keep in mind that earning money on YouTube takes time and effort. You need to consistently create high-quality content and build up a loyal following to see significant earnings.